Alright, so we're on to module 2 now, which is state one example of each of the following types of software packages. Statistical. I'll put MS Excel. Database management, MS Access. Desktop publishing, Microsoft Publisher. I mean, there are probably other examples, but usually those examples, they will get to your marks fairly easily. Without any stress or strain, just give them the Microsoft Suite and it should be good. Describe two functions of a statistical software package. Alright, the two functions you would have would be formulas and functions. Provide users with the ability to do calculations on the data that is useful. And then graphing tools allow the user to represent the data in a form. Yeah, that should be good for that, for marks, as these are run-able questions. A researcher is studying how people use their smartphones in public places, has collected a wide range of information from 25 observations during one visit to a city, discussing most appropriate format for displaying and presenting the following information, where smartphones were used. Alright, so several people use their smartphones in public places, has collected from 75 observations, where smartphones were used. Well, I would say a map, because it would make the identification of the locations easier to identification of the locations easier to associate. This is not sounding grammatically right, but you understand what I'm saying for the viewers. So, example, putting the number over the city name on the map makes it easier. Yeah, that sounds good. Type of activities smartphones were used for. They could represent this probably with a pie chart. No, type of activities on a smartphone. Yeah, type of pie chart. A pie chart, because a pie chart has the ability to represent two sets of data very easily, and each slice can be labeled accordingly. perspective. Title and percentage. I ain't 100% sure what is answer, because you're basically trying to explain how to, like, what are some of the things on the format. So when you talk about a pie chart, you probably want to talk about the axis, not axis, you want to talk about the labeling, you want to talk about the percentage, stuff like that. Different groups of users and the number of different activities they engage in. Right, so this one will definitely be a bar chart with multiple bars for each groups of users. This allows you to show the different activities by color and still group each user type on the x-axis. You're basically describing a graph, but wow, I don't like this question too much, because like putting it on a map is cool, you can understand that. Types of devices would be a pie chart because it's two pieces of data, and the different types of activities, yeah, that'll be a bar chart. But to have this kind of depth for a representation of data question, it's more than usual. It's more than usual. But again, once you think it through, you should be able to give a common sense answer and throw in the big words, throw in all that you know about representation of graphs, and you should be okay. Alright, part C. Apart from a website, state one other electronic source of a wiki. Please do tell me you have to explain it. Discuss the reasons why a website is not always an appropriate source of retrieving and getting health-related information. 6 marks, so that's 3 marks for each one of our explanations, and we are dealing with health-related stuff. Health-related. Okay. All right. Alright, so not a good reason for health-related stuff. So let's go with health-related. What we want to say is it could be inaccurate. So let's go also so keyword will be accuracy. Next keyword will be, I don't know, let's choose currency. Yeah, currency will be a good one to explain. Alright, so if we're choosing accuracy, what we want to say is websites can be edited by anyone. This makes the information on the website susceptible to being wrong if the author does not do the necessary research properly. Right? If the author doesn't do the necessary research properly, you will have that problem. Example, med student creating a website but not using scholarly research to back up the claims and providing links. Alright, so keep in mind that is 3 marks you're fighting for. Yeah, 3 marks you're fighting for. So put an example. Usually when you see the word explain or discuss, you probably want to give an example so that you would sell your answer properly and convince the examiner, because always remember you're trying to convince the examiner that you know what you're talking about. Even though they're looking at a mark sheet, often in Unit 2 IT, you're trying to convince with some sort of argument based on fact, right? Alright, currency. Some websites are not always updated frequently. This causes a problem for health data because the information may cause a person to use outdated remedies that may be harmful. Example, a drug may be pulled off the market but the website still has it up. Yeah. Alright, outline 1 criteria for deciding on the quality of information on our website. Refereed sources would need to be referenced or hyperlinked so that viewers can check the authenticity of the claims. Yeah, that sounds good there. For A part 1, describe the function of each of the following tools: Telnet, and FTP. 4 marks. Telnet is a remote connection protocol used by companies to manage servers remotely. It can also be used go back, telecommuting. FTP is a file transfer protocol that can be used to file transfer protocol that can be used to upload files to a web server. Upload files to a web server to update websites or web applications. Nice. Outline two differences between Telnet and FTP. Whoa, they're doing the most in this paper, boy. They're doing the most. They literally zone in on Telnet and FTP for a 4-mark question. That's nice. That's nice. It's like, no, but that's tough. That's tough. That's not cool. Okay. Two differences between Telnet and FTP. If I were to do this on the fly, hold on, I'll be back. Alright, two differences. Well, we just outlined what the function one is doing. Alright, so Telnet is used for remote commands, while FTP, I just explained this point, is used for file transfer. Yes. Another one will be Telnet is not secure. And FTP can be used in a secure environment. What? I ain't feeling too confident about these answers. What I know for sure is Telnet is command line based, and FTP can be GUI based. Yep. I don't know. I can't say. I ain't sure. What they want. I know those are facts, but honestly, when I teach in the syllabus, we don't go into this great depth with Telnet and FTP, boys. So now I have to start to go in depth. That's one of the things with past papers is you realize a lot about what they want you to know that the syllabus doesn't explicitly state, because the syllabus just have, Telnet and FTP. But you could go so deep into certain things in IT that sometimes the syllabus doesn't tell you, alright, hold on, don't go so far. But why not? Why not CXC? Why not? Alright, write the HTML code to produce the web page content shown in the figure below. Social media website, the following are links to. Okay. Alright, social media website is at the top. I guess that's our H1. So we'll start with HTML. Open the HTML, close the HTML, and then we'll open the body. Right, and we'll open and close the body. Body. Sorry. Nice. Okay, cool. Alright, so let me go. H1. We're going to put social media website. SOCIAL media websites. Now the question is, do I remember how to put a hyperlink? I don't know. The second thing is a paragraph, so we open a paragraph tag and we put the words. The following are links. I ain't writing all of that. When you do your exam, please make sure you write all of that. Blah, 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 dot, and close the paragraph tag. Now we have to put the link. We had to put the anchor, keep the anchor open, href equals quotation marks www.facebook.com, close the anchor, then put the words www.facebook.com, and then close the anchor tag. Did I do that correct? I think I did it correct, if I remember carefully. Yeah, perfect. Open anchor, close anchor, right, good. So open a href equal, is that equal or colon? Equal, yeah. And then the URL again, what's the next URL? Twitter.com. Look at Facebook. Look at CXC keeping up to date to the fact that there's social media in the past papers. How nice of you. www.twitter.com, close brackets, and then we put in www.twitter.com, close the anchor, A for anchor, right. That's it, we done here? And that look like it, yeah. Yeah, that's all they asked for. That's 9 marks. Yeah, should be 9 marks. Yeah, looks like 9 markish. Carry follow each type of portal, a portal. Okay, 4 marks, portal, a web page that leads you to other web pages / content. It allows you to search for content and leads you to it. I said the same thing twice because to explain what a portal is for 2 marks, I don't know what I want to tell you again. Okay, a blog is a reverse chronological web page feed that contains articles, stories, photos, or videos centered around a specific topic. Sounds good? Yep. Outline 2 advantages of using a blog compared to a portal. Oh my goodness. This paper is zoning in on some very, very, very small parts of the syllabus. I don't think I've seen them zone in this far before. But yeah. Okay. Disadvantages of using a blog compared to a portal. Okay. A blog is only on one topic, while a portal has a range of things you can look for. blog can be subjective based on the views of the author, while a portal will have many choices. Okay. That is it for module 2.